computer. We have an NVIDIA GeForce 250 Ti, pretty good. We have an AMD Sepron CPU, the fastest CPU from AMD, I believe. We have three RAM sticks. This is DDR2. Who cares? Oh, this is DDR2, but it doesn't matter. It's not matter. We have 1 gigabyte of RAM made in China by Samsung. We got Hynix 1 gigabyte RAM Korea. So the first thing we're going to do is install the memory. Obviously, you can put it upside down. I'm just going to do it like this. Install it's kind of hard with my hand. Alright, installed successfully. We're going to put the second RAM stick off. Alright, so hopefully this is the right one. Damage the board. Looks like it's not really guys. But okay, I think it doesn't matter. We can just do that. Perfect. Now, here's the CPU. Go ahead and install it. Alright. So make sure the pins are back. Alright, let's see a way to install it. Like I said, I'm not very good with building computers. Alright, I think this is the right size. Alright, put the latch down. Perfect. It's perfect. Now, here's your cooling. Okay, we got it with the window. Alright, perfect. It's in. Just put this stick around there. We can put this other down on here as well. Alright, now the GPU. To install that, we're going to notice there's a piece of PCI. You're going to see I can't open it. So what I'm going to do is, we're just going to, you see that side of the card, I'm going to install it like that, and see, it's going to work.